Hello beautiful people, and welcome back once again to my channel. So in this video, hold on, in case you're new here, my name is Nyechi Chiemela. Yes, sweetheart, don't forget to subscribe down below. It's been a while and I have not been on YouTube. Yes, a lot has been going on, but to the glory of God, I am back here with an exciting video to share with you guys. In today's video, the topic we're going to be talking about achieving a fair complexion and maintaining that radiant glow. Yes, like the title of this video says, light complexion product list for a glowing skin, and of course it's all about skincare tips. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't, give this video a thumbs up, and sweetheart, make sure you share this video, click the super thanks icon to support the channel. And I mean, it's been a while, but I am back again with another one, so please make sure, and if you've missed my pretty face, I've missed you too, stay tuned and let's talk about all I have for you in this video. So now the first part of the video will be on body care products, especially for light skin, fair complexion. We'll also talk about face care products, both the serums and all that. But before I dive right into the video, let's talk about factors that affect your glow, factors that affect the way your skin presents itself. Yeah. Now the first factor is environmental factors such as the weather, such as the climate change in your environment, the weather in general. All this contributes to how your skin represents itself or how your skin will look at that particular time. One of the seasons here in Nigeria, West Africa precisely, yes, during Harmattan, our skin definitely reacts. It turns out to be very dry, and that time we need more moisturizing products and all that. The second factor are stress levels. Yes, what do I mean by that? If you're stressed out, if you're going through an emotional issue, skin will also react. Yes. I remember one time my dad was ill recently, sometime this year, and I had to take care of him. I was like the carer in the family for my dad at that moment, and it was a little bit stressful. I broke down, like the pimples on my face were, I don't even know where to start from, but the stress, it contributed to acne. And I had to change products, I had to try a lot of CeraVe products at that time and all that. And when my dad recovered and the stress levels were intact, the stress levels had gone down, my skin also responded. Apart from the change also in products, when you're stressed out, your skin would also tell you, your skin would show you that you look, there's something going on. Okay. Third factor are genetics. Now, depending on your genetics, genetics has a role to play in your complexion. I have friends that are very fair. It turns out to be that their mom is extremely fair, and that in return plays a role in their skin. Like because of their fair genes, let me put it that way, even if they use locks, even if they use a low maintenance product, they will not, it will really have any impact on their skin like that. But whenever they're on high expensive products, I mean, it's like a polish. So genetics plays a lot of role. For somebody else who doesn't have such genetics, maybe you don't have fair people, maybe your grandparents, your parents, you guys are just caramel, that also will play a role in your skin. If you have an acne genetic trait in the family, yes, you could also be breaking out based on genetics. You could also be having pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentation based on genetics. I hope that's clear. And yeah, shout out to my amazing girlfriends. I love you. And yeah, that's about it. Now the next on the list is personal care. What do I mean by that? The products you use, what you do to your skin, how you use the products, what the products do, what you're targeting, what you're treating. Your personal care plays an important role when it comes to the way your skin looks like, or how radiant your skin presents itself. Okay. Now with all that out of the way, I'm going to display a little picture talking about shades. This is somebody that is caramel. This is somebody that is extremely fair in complexion, like close, let me say white. One thing you have to know is that there are different shades of fairness. Yes, my shade may not be your shade, may not be your type. You have to know where you fall into, and then you also have to figure out what you want to do and what your skincare concerns or problems are. If your skincare concern is if you're trying to deal with dark spots and hyperpigmentation, acne breakouts and all that, then you tailor your skincare products according to your skincare needs. That is how it is. Skincare should be tailored according to your skin type and your own skincare concern. Okay, now the first on the list, let's talk about body care products. Now, for somebody that would come and say, Nyechi, I am light skin or I am fair in complexion, I really want to go 5 shades, I would always advise for you to start slow and maintain what you already have, and don't overdo it. Don't try to overdo it. Don't try to impress anybody. Just make sure you have, when you look at yourself in the mirror, you're okay with where your skin is, and you'll be seeing results from whatever you're trying to target. Okay, from whatever you're trying to sort out or clear. All right, so having a healthy skin is the best, and making sure that you are aware of what you're doing and the effects of what you're doing would give you is also very important. Now this video is kind of like maintenance too. You can also say this video would serve as a maintenance guide. Now let me say this disclaimer: this video is not for somebody that wants to be white tomorrow or white in 2 weeks. This is for somebody that is light skin, fair in complexion. You want to maintain what you already have, or you've noticed that you're no longer glowing, maybe because of the factors I mentioned. These products here would help you slowly, gently and steady give you that brightened and glowing, radiant skin. Now, the next on the list is for body scrubs for a light complexion or a fair skin person. Now, whichever way, if you want to tailor down and go slow, if you want to maintain your fairness already, let's say you're naturally fair already, or you've noticed that you're not glowing, your skin is no longer looking radiant, maybe because of the factors I mentioned earlier. Now, the products I'm going to suggest here on this video will definitely help you, and yes, they may be a little bit pricey, but make sure you check out your local skincare supply store, and then figure out what works for you and the ones you can afford. All right, now the first on the body care section is body. We're going to talk about body washes. Now, the number 1 on my list is the Olay Vitamin C body wash. This is an amazing body wash. It will brighten your skin because it contains vitamin C elements in it. And the next on the list is the Nyechi Vitamin C body wash. Now, this body wash could be pricey, but then of course it has a vitamin C derivative, which is all about brightening your skin. Now remember, you do not want to overdo it. You're not trying to bleach your skin, you're not trying to do anything extra, you're trying to maintain, you're trying to have a sustainable effect on your skin, like a sustainable complexion maintenance. Looking at products that will moisturize at the same time brighten your skin, give you that natural glow. Remember, you don't want to overdo it, and you don't want to have an unhealthy skin. Moisturizing ingredients, moisturizing products that would put back moisture, because you need hydration. Hydration is a key thing when it comes to skincare, especially a glowing, radiant skin. A skin that is supple and can stand the test of time, regardless of what other factors that may contribute to an even skin tone. So we're looking at Dove Macadamia, crushed macadamia rice body polish. This body polish is nice. Now, if I find a video where I used it or where somebody I recommended it for tried it out, I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen. If I don't, I'm going to leave a picture. The next body scrub is the Dove crushed almond and avocado polish. This is another nice body scrub and fantastic, contains moisturizing elements in it, and trust me, you will love it and your skin will thank you later. Let's say you are using a brightening body cream, maybe the Medix Vitamin C or any other mild and gentle moisturizing vitamin C body lotion. You can pair it with the Dove Nourish Secrets avocado body wash. About face care. Face care is actually a very important one you should consider or pay attention to. Now, the 2 main important factors to consider when you're talking about face care is your skin type and your skincare concern. What do I mean by that? Now under the skincare concern, we have hyperpigmentation / dark spots. Hyperpigmentation or dark spots, we have pimples or breakouts. We have eczema. Some people have eczema on their faces. Under the type of skin, we're talking about dry skin, oily skin, different skin types. So these are the things, the factors you have to consider when you're dealing with products for the face. Now have in mind that the skin on the face is highly sensitive, and you should really be careful when you're talking about products to use right here. Now, if you do not use the right products to face a particular skincare concern, you are going to disrupt the natural balance of the skin on your face, and probably you break out, you start having pimples and then dark spots. And apart from the fact that other factors contribute to the way your skin presents itself, how radiant or glowing your skin will turn out. But first, you have to start with a cleanser, a fatty cleanser, a moisturizing cleanser, and we have the Nambuzin cleanser, we have the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. CeraVe has a lot of cleansers. There are cleansers for blemish control, for acne, pimples, and all that, the ones with salicylic acid. But check out, make sure you know your skin type before trying out certain products. The next is toners. I'm not a huge fan of toning your skin, but trust me, I have really seen the importance of using toners for your skin. Now, the first toner on the list is the Tiam toner. Yes, the Tiam Vita B3 Source Toner, if I'm not mistaken, with that word, with that name. Okay, now this contains, I think, tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and it comes in a spray bottle. Yes, and it's really nice. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen. The next toner is the Good Molecules toner. It contains vitamin C and a whole lot of other nice ingredients. I'm going to leave them on the screen. Now, these two serums are nice, especially if you're trying to brighten and also target dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Serums. Now, your face care routine is not complete, especially if you're trying to treat something, if you do not use a serum. Now, most people would rather prefer using a face cream that contains most of the potent ingredients to tackle dark spots and other skincare concern they may have. The next on the list is the vitamin C, timeless vitamin C serum, the TM vitamin B3 serum that contains niacinamide and arbutin. Now, these serums are really good. We also have other serums like the ordinary vitamin C serum. I can swear by that. The next serum is the Good Molecules, contains tranexamic acid or vitamin C. I'm going to leave the ingredients on the list. So on the list for face care is moisturizer. Now, I forgot to add. Body lotions I suggest you try out one from the Naturium brand. The next is Nivea. Nivea has many amazing moisturizing body lotions right now in the market. I can swear by Even and Radiant body lotion. I've tried it. I used that body lotion for 3 or 4 months, and guess what? I didn't get dark. A lot of people be like, oh, if I use Nivea, I get dark, but it depends on the type of Nivea you're using. When I used Even and Radiant, I didn't have a problem. I learned they must have changed the name by now, but I mean, check it out. It contains vitamin C, which is also good for brightening the skin. Now we have the Olay body lotion, and we also have Dove body lotion. There are different varieties of Dove body lotions. We have plenty joggings, but I really recommend the Nivea vitamin C Even and Radiant body lotion. I also recommend the Olay. If Olay has Olay vitamin C body lotion, I think there should be that body lotion because it has a body wash. So check it out and just do your own research. Find out body lotions that contain moisturizing body lotions from any of these brands that contain vitamin C. Now let's go back to face care. You need is a sunscreen. If you're tired of having white casts and you know your skin can tolerate chemical sunscreens, if you really want my recommendation or my product suggestions, Isn't Tree Sunstick, Tokobo Sunstick, La Roche Posay sunscreen. It's beautiful, it's nice. Light complexion, you're naturally light complexioned, or you're a fair skin person, and maybe due to the factors I already mentioned earlier in the video, you started getting dark, or in general you just want to avoid avoid products that contain too much mercury and hydroquinone. Sweetheart, these ones I mentioned are alternative and they would help you. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. Stay blessed, hit the thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.